Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn things that I can do with our some body parts. Let's look at the different parts of the body and see how they help us. Now see, which picture is this? Yes, this is a nose. How many noses do we have? We have only one nose. Now see what she is doing. She is smelling fragrance of flowers. Yes, I can smell with our nose. Let's repeat with me. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. Now see which body part is this? Yes, this is the tongue. We have only one tongue. Now see what she is doing. She is eating yummy burger. How we know the burger is so yummy? With the help of our tongue, we know the taste of the burger is so yummy. Let's repeat with me. I taste with my tongue. 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 Let's see which body part is this. Yes, this is a ear. You know how many ears we have? We have 2 ears. When someone is calling you, how do you know? Yes, with the help of your ears, you know someone is calling you. See, let's see this picture. What this man is doing? He is hearing. Let's repeat with me. I can hear with my ear. I can hear with my ear. I can hear with my ear. Which body part is this? Eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. Now tell me, when you shut your eyes, can you see anything? No, na? We cannot see anything because we see with our eyes. Let's see this scenery. What can you see? Houses, trees, sun, river. Yes, you can see all these with your eyes. Let's repeat with me. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Let's see which body parts is this. Yes, this is a hand. We have to do so many works with our hands, like writing, eating, etc. Now see, this is a cat. When we touch the cat, we feel very soft. Yes, I can also feel with our hands. Let's repeat with me. I can feel with my hand. I can feel with my hand. I can feel with my hand. I write with my hand. Let's see which body part is this. These are the legs. How many legs do we have? Yes, we have 2 legs. We have to do so many work with our legs, like jump, hop, run, skip. Now see what she is doing. Yes, she is walking. Now let's repeat with me. I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. Yes. Now today we have finished this lesson. We will meet in next video. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह हाफिज़, अपना ध्यान रखना।